Hello my friends, here you have the unboxing of a heater Vornado. I bought this in Amazon. It comes packed really well. Let's see what we have inside. Look at this. Heat the air in the room. Vornado heater. Increase a unique airflow pattern. Color vortex. Oh my God. Look at this beauty. Vornado. This is actually the digital one because it has a 12-hour shutter timer in case you forget. But if you forget, it's not a big deal. Let's just keep warm your house. It has a protection in case it gets covered. It senses that there's no enough airflow and it shuts off. And it's cool to touch because the heat elements are inside the fan. Look at this, what detail. They even put detail on the cover. This is marketing. It is Wi-Fi, can you believe it? It has Wi-Fi. Cool. I didn't know that, but it has Wi-Fi. Look what a nice manual they have. It has a warranty card. You should read this before you use it. 5-year warranty. This is how it comes. Look what a nice remote control. A lot of protection. Look at this. It's packed really, really well. Empty. What a nice packing, you know? What a nice packing. There's a little tape here. You should always very careful remove this because if you want to send it back, you don't want to damage the cover. Okay, let's see what we have. Oh my God. This is like, look, I can pick it up with my pinky. Your 5-year-old could fetch it for you. You could tell him, bring me my heater, and he just will grab it and bring to you. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Nice. I mean, I can't believe a heater like this can heat a whole room, but it is what they say. It's plastic. I mean, I don't know if I can trust plastic from not melting, but at the end thought I had to spend money on the metal one, as this is just a heater. I can see the elements inside. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Look at this, it has a storage compartment for your cord, and it's supposed to be a 6-foot cord, but this is, oh my God, this cord is like 10 foot. It's supposed to be 6, but I guess they are 6 Samoan footmen because these are like long. Great. I'm gonna plug it to see what happened. Oh, you know, if you don't have the remote, you are screwed because there's no way to turn it on. So, you see, I just bought it, but I cannot turn it on because I don't have batteries. Let's see, let me see if this has batteries. Oh yeah, it has a battery here. It has a protection, so Oh, nice, look at this. Yeah, right away. Oh, as soon as you move it, it shut off. What interesting. Oh, I think I shut off the whole house lights. Oh. Oh, it doesn't go anymore. What an interesting thing. Oh. What an interesting thing. Oh, now it did again. Ah, I don't know what's going on. Oh. Well, that's whatever is no good. It kind of overheat. Now it doesn't want to run. Oh, I think I'm holding it backwards. So I was holding it like this, and actually it's like this. Oh no. Oh no. What the hell? Oh, I see. It has a button here. This is what it controls the tipping. Now I understand. So it has a button. Wow, boy, I almost returned it. They should have specified that in the instructions. Eh? What a nice LED display. It suppose has the temperature and it has this 12-hour time. I mean, I thought by itself, if you turn it on, it shot in 12 hours. If you have to turn it on by yourself, as well as you just get the manual because you are not getting any benefit. I thought if I forget it, just shut off, but unless you really put it on the time you want it on, it really does nothing. Yeah, yes, maybe you shouldn't spend the money and buy this digital portion. I don't think you need it. Oh, it has heat. It has high heat, low, fan only, and low heat. Okay. It had 3 settings, which are pretty good. Before it shuts up, it blows air, I guess, to cool the heating element. I mean, I think it was a good purchase. Now that I see how it does work, I probably didn't need the digital portion of it, but it's Christmas and I don't wanna return it. This is way better than the other I bought. The other I bought was really, really bad. Well, if you decide to buy one, this is the Vornado expensive